out here working on a Toyota RAV4. This customer's got a pretty broken windshield, so we're replacing that. But my main thing that I notice is that this wiper's in the wrong position. So when the customer runs the wiper, it comes up and hits this pillar, which is not only annoying, but it's actually bad for the wiper transmission down underneath here. So to fix this, anybody can do it. You take this cap off, I've already done it. Take a 14mm socket, I'm gonna loosen up that nut on the wiper arm, and then we're gonna give us a little bit of tension. We're gonna put this back down. You don't want it too far down or it will just be in your visibility. So we want it right about there. So then we'll take our socket, tighten it back up again. And it's always good to test it out and make sure it's in the right spot. Oh, perfect. Just like it's supposed to be.